You'll never see me paying a copay or dropping bills at a pharmacy for a chest cold ever again because I found this shit. These are Mullein drops. It's a mullein leaf extract, and this has been used for centuries to help with respiratory issues. Mullein leaf helps loosen and thin that mucus that's in your lungs and throat, making it easier to cough it up and get it out of your body. Mullein leaf can also soothe the irritation in your bronchial tubes and your lungs. That can help reduce the inflammation that makes your chest feel tight and painful. This works better for me than any product that I have ever found at the pharmacy. It is super easy to take and it costs less than a copay. You're finally going to be able to cough up all of that mucus and phlegm stuck in your chest. I just checked because I need to stock up, and this is on a crazy flash sale with free shipping. So if you see that orange shopping cart, grab it before it sells out again.